Hi everyone, it's JC here with another video for you. Guys, you have no idea how hot it is today in Holland. It's about 37 degrees. The sun is so hot. I actually had to put my hair in a little bun because it's really hot. Anyway, I wanted to share with you today some shoppings. I went to Hudson's Bay and I couldn't resist. They were on sale. Of course, I am a sales girl. I love a sale. And I saw a couple of items that I just had to have it. So I would like to share them with you today. First thing I wanted to share is this Calvin Klein. Look at that. I got this little box of Calvin Klein socks. They are so pretty and they were so cheap. This is one size fits all. They are a little bit glittery. Look at that. Can you see the glitter? Let's see. It is a little bit glittery and they are so gorgeous. So I got 3 pairs. Gray one, a white one. The white one is not glittery, but it's still so cute. Very nice and soft material. And a black one. Oh, look at that. The black one is so pretty. Beautiful. Yeah, so this was the first item that I got. Oh, the box is so cute. Look at that. Cute little box by Calvin Klein. The next item I got was this. I love trousers and I always find it very difficult to find the right type of trousers that fit me well. They have to be comfortable. I don't like things that are too tight because I like to feel comfortable in them. So I got this pair of trousers and the brand is not my daughter's jeans. I think not your daughter's jeans. That's wait a minute. What is it? Yeah, it's the skinny ankle, not your daughter's jeans. So here it is. And wow. These trousers are so pretty, and I actually, when I was trying them on, I did this a little video. Check it out. Guys, look at this one. I'm trying to get these trousers here. Gorgeous, look at that. And it matches my jacket. I love it. Which brand is this? Not my daughter's jeans. Gorgeous, isn't it? I look fabulous. So the price of these trousers were 149 euros, but I got them for 70% off. Of course, I couldn't leave it there, so I brought it with me. Love it. Look at this nail polish. This is so pretty. It's basically a top coat, a glittery top coat. I love putting glitter on my nails. I'm not sure if you can see it. See? I love a coat of glitter. So this is so pretty. Look at that. Don't know which brand this is. Wait a minute. I think it's Catrice. Yeah, I think it's Catrice. Very nice. The other item, and these are the nicest ones. First one, well, they are 2 pair of sneakers. I know, I love sneakers. I just bought one from Gas. I haven't even used it yet, but I couldn't resist. Donna Karen! Again, they were on sale. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. Look at these shoes. Girl, come on. Look at this. Look at the details behind Donna Karen, New York. And it is a little bit wintry kind of shoes, which I always need because in Holland it's always cold. So look at these shoes. They are so pretty. I tried them on and they are so damn comfortable. I just couldn't leave them there. And the price was so amazing. They were, the price was 195 euros, but they were discounted, so I think I paid about 50 something. Look at this. It is a kind of suede, but I love these details here behind, and obviously it is a wedge, not very high, but still very comfortable to use. So this was the first one. And the second one is another sneakers by Donna Karen. And these are so pretty. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Look at this. Come on. You have to see how gorgeous these are. Look at the detail. Donna Karen, New York, black, of course, very classic, goes with everything. I love the white detail. And these, look at this. The price of this one was 150 euros, but I got it 50% off. And look at that. You don't have any laces, no zipper. You have like a little elastic here. No, wait a minute. Is it? Yeah, it is a little bit stretchy. Yes, you see, this band here is stretchy. So all you have to do is just to put your feet in here and look at that. It's a little bit of a wedge, but it is a little lower than this one. You see, it's a little lower. This is a little higher, and this, oh my God, the moment I put this on, I couldn't take them off. I said, you know what, you're coming with me because this is amazing. I was thinking that these would probably be the kind of shoes that you can wear for traveling, because every time I go into the plane, I like to take my shoes off. And it's always a hassle if you have those pair of shoes that you have to undo. And it's always annoying because also when I travel to Brazil, it's like almost 12 hours flight. So usually by the time you arrive there, your feet tends to be a little bit swollen. So if you have those shoes that you have to tie, so it's always more difficult. And these ones are the type of shoes that are perfect for traveling because you just slip your feet in and you're done. So yes, this is the one that I had to have. So, oh my God, this was very quick. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. These are the new items that I got. I've been very busy this week. I've been working on a presentation that I did for my work, and I had to work everything because I also recorded the presentation. Obviously, I cannot show it to you because it's private, but who knows, maybe I will prepare another version that I can actually share with you. It's a presentation about self-love, and it was very well received by my team, and apparently we are going to share it also with the whole company. So who knows, I will maybe prepare a version that I can share with you, and you will be able to watch it. So this was the video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Have a fabulous day. Bye!